Now once again we are going to start the exercise 8.4 introduction to trigonometry chapter number 8. Now student, this is the very important exercise for the board exam, exercise 8.4. And student, if you want to watch my another video, now firstly you like and subscribe my channel. Now first here you see here now this identity, first formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. मीन्स ये थ्री आइडेंटिटीज हैं, मतलब इन इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है 1, इसकी भी वैल्यू होती है 1 और इसकी भी वैल्यू होती है 1. तो इस फॉर्मूला रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को मैं अब सॉल्व करता हूं. आई एम सॉल्विंग हियर. नाउ योर क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन बिलो. एक्सरसाइज 8.4 आई एम सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 of the first part. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Cosec theta minus cot theta minus cot theta which is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है, हमें ये सॉल्व करनी है. ये स्क्वायर है. ओके, मीन्स cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is the LHS and this is the RHS. तो हमें LHS को लेके सॉल्व करना है तो RHS आना चाहिए, और अगर RHS लेते हैं तो LHS आना चाहिए. तो I take here the LHS. So cosec theta minus cot theta of whole square. Now we can write. Student, you know that the cosec reciprocal of the sine 1 upon sin theta minus and cot reciprocal means cos theta upon sin theta of whole square. So we can write as a denominator be same. So 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta of whole square. So this 1 minus cos theta of whole square upon, now we can write sin square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Now student, you know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write cos theta of whole square upon, and this 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write this formula 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, means this a square minus b square formula means a minus b and a plus b, and this cancel. So 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. LHS is equal to the RHS. Okay student, now solve the next question. Question number 5 of the second part we are going to solve. This is the very important question. Cos a upon 1 plus sin a and plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a which is equal to 2 sec a. Now this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Now हमें LHS को लेके सॉल्व करना है तो RHS आना चाहिए 2 sec a. तो स्टूडेंट मैं यहाँ पे ले रहा हूँ LHS means this multiply cross multiplication cos square a plus this multiple 1 plus sin a of whole square whole divided by cos a 1 plus sin a. Now cos square a right plus a plus b of whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab means 2 sin a upon cos a 1 plus sin a. Taking one side sin square a and cos square a. So sin square a plus cos square a this and plus 1 plus 2 sin a upon cos a 1 plus sin a. Now this first identity is, I write here the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, but here the a. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a upon cos a 1 plus sin a. Now 1 1 2 2 plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Taking 2 कॉमन इन द न्यूमरेटर्स, हम 2 कॉमन लेते हैं न्यूमरेटर्स में, 1 प्लस साइन ए बचेगा, यहाँ 1 प्लस साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए, दिस कैंसिल आउट, सो 2 अपॉन कॉस ए. Now student, you know that 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A, so we can write 2 sec A. LHS is equal to the RHS. Now बायां पक्ष को मैंने सॉल्व किया तो हमारा ये दायां पक्ष आ गया 2 sec A. Means LHS is equal to the RHS. Okay student, now let's go to the next question. Question number 5 of the next part. Question number 5 of the third part. I am solving here. First, now this series. Now student, we are going to solve again question number 5 of the third part. This is the IMP questions. Questions are given tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Now this is LHS and this is the RHS. So solving here the LHS means tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now LHS, expand tan theta we can write sin theta upon cos theta, and this 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, cot means cos theta sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. मैंने एक्सपेंड कर दिया, so sin theta upon cos theta and this multiple here cross multiply sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, cos theta upon sin theta and this LCM cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. A upon B divided C upon D. So sin and sin square theta upon this multiply this cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus and this multiply this cos square theta upon sin theta and this cos theta minus sin theta. Now sin square theta upon cos theta, this sin theta minus cos theta. Here write the sign minus because sign changes. So this sin theta minus cos theta we can write, मैंने यहाँ लिखा sin theta minus cos theta common 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta. So this sin square theta upon cos theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta. Further cross multiplication, so 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, this sin cube theta minus this cos cube theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now student, put, we know that the formula 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, this a cube minus b cube, first bracket a minus b and second bracket a square plus ab plus b square upon sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta. Now this sin theta minus cos theta cancel. So here sin square theta plus right cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta, and this formula identity is number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here write here 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now write 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus this sin theta cos theta होल डिवाइड, अलग अलग पार्ट्स में मैंने ब्रेक कर दिया है और दिस कैंसिल आउट हो गया, ये बचा 1 प्लस 1 upon sin स्टूडेंट sec cosec 1 upon cos sec. So we write 1 upon cos sec theta 1 upon sin cosec theta. Then this is the RHS, means ये RHS tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. तो हमें ये प्रूफ करनी थी 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Hence RHS 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Hence proved. Now student, if you want to watch my another video, now please like and subscribe my this channel. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.